Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a student account on Kahoot without signing up. It's quite simple. You want to use a student account on Kahoot without signing up. Is this? You first get out the app, then you find a way to get your app information, that is the settings, then you look for apps, then go choose Kahoot and then choose the app information. But I prefer going to shortcut using Samsung phone. Just press down on it like this, click on the I for information, and to bring here shortcut to get to app information. So once you've done that, next thing you're going to do is click on storage and then just simply clear your cache. Clear your data, it will also clear your cache. Once you've done that and you open up your Kahoot app again, it's going to start afresh. So choose next, choose student, put in your age, okay, and that's it. You didn't need to register and you are in. So if you like searching a create account later, you can click on this part that says create your free account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.